Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can look for a package in some of the famous Linux distributions. So to do such thing there are so many methods depending on the situation, or some of the methods also can exist, like you may find more than a method for the same distribution. For example, here I have Linux Mint, and it's very similar to Debian or Ubuntu, and the command to search for a package here from the terminal, from the distribution itself, it's possible to do such thing, is to run apt search and the name of the package, and we are looking for a package known as bomb, as one of the friends of this channel requested. Alright, so these are all the packages that have bomb in their name. This is for Debian based distributions, but sometimes some of the packages may exist in one of them and doesn't exist in the other one. It may exist in one of them and may not exist in the other one. So when it is like that, you may need to do some workaround to be able to install that package in the distribution that doesn't have that package in it, in the repositories. There is also a website for looking for the packages of Ubuntu. Here it is, packages.ubuntu.com, and you just scroll down, tells here what are the versions that are potential or possible to search, and we are looking for bomb, and as you can see these are the packages that have bomb and their names, okay, with some details about it, or some description for that for those packages. So this was for apt based distros or Debian based distros. Alright, so for Red Hat based distros I have Fedora Linux here, and the command is very similar for almost any one of them. When I say Red Hat distributions, Red Hat based distributions, we mean, or you can understand from it, Fedora, Rocky, Alma, and so on, all those distros, as well as CentOS, Stream, and so on. All those distributions, you can look for a package on them by running one command. This takes longer than it's supposed to, never mind. So the command is dnf search and the name of the package. In my case I'm looking for bomb. We wait some time for it. There is probably a website for Fedora where we can look for the packages. So in case you are unable to access your terminal for a reason and you wanna look for a package, you can simply access this website, which is packages.fedoraproject.org. We search for this package, which is bomb, and these are all the packages that have bomb in their names, and this includes also EPEL, or this repository. You can install it on any Red Hat based distro. So this was the result of the search that we have run right now, and these are all the packages that have bomb in their names. Okay, so we go to so this one is Arch Linux. For Arch Linux I wasn't able to look for the package using pacman, I guess. Let's try with bomb, and let's try with sudo. So I wasn't able to do it. I tried to install package file after looking for a way to look for a package or search for a package. This thread on Stack Exchange recommended installing package file, but it doesn't work for me. For you, you can try to use it. doesn't give any results. And the solution for such thing is the same, which is looking for the package from Arch Linux. So Arch, yes, we can look for Arch Linux. We have two websites to look or to use for searching, which are AUR. Let's look for bomb. These are all the packages with the name bomb in them. Okay, this is for the AUR. We can also for the AUR we can search and the link or URL, which is aur.archlinux.org/packages, and we can look for packages and the official repositories, which is archlinux.org/packages. So we look for bomb, search. These are all the packages with the word bomb in their names. This is for Arch Linux. Alright, we go to Slackware. This is my Slackware virtual machine. If you have slackpkg installed, you can search by running slackpkg search and the name of the package or the word that you're looking for. And we have only one word or one package, not one word. We can use the Slack build website, slackbuilds.org. We look for bomb, and these are all the packages that have the word bomb in them for Slackware. There are other third-party repositories, but I guess if you have installed slackpkg plus correctly, you'll be able to look in them, and this is the result that I got. You have another option. This one is supposed to be at the end, but because we are talking about Slackware, we can look in it, and it's useful to look for any package in almost any famous distribution, as long as it's possible. Some of the distributions you cannot look for the packages here, just like for example Gentoo, you cannot find it here. So here this website tells about, including some non-Linux systems like NetBSD. So these are all the distributions that have packages with the word bomb in their names. For example, this is for Ubuntu 22.04. These are all the packages with the word bomb. And this is for Fedora. If we are looking for Nex86 architecture package, we find it here, and so on. This is for the repository updates for Fedora, and so on. This is from RPM Sphere. Let's go and check. We can check also some other distributions that we have looked or we have already searched in, including Arch. These are the packages there. Chaotic AUR, third-party repository, which belongs to the AUR. Alright, when it comes to Gentoo, we can look using a tool that we can install, and I may do a demonstration of how to install this tool, which is EIX-big R. The tool is EIX, but the command is AIX-big or -uppercase R, and the package name or the word we're looking for, in my case, is bomb. So these are all the packages that have bomb in their names in Gentoo. Okay, this is not everything. For example, I believe when you are looking for a package in OpenSUSE or SUSE, you run zipper search and the package name, but because I don't have it running here, I cannot use that command If we want to use it, we can try, but it's gonna complain that the command is not found. It says here zipper command not found. We can use also YAST. We can go to YAST and look for the package. It's a front end. It has CLI front end and GUI front end. Okay. So these were the ways we search for packages. And there are also so many other distributions. I didn't mention them, or I didn't do them because I'm not able to do it now. And I'm sorry for not including your favorite distribution if it's not one of the ones that I mentioned. And this was how you can search for a package and some of the famous distributions. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching and see you.